That's exaggerated. So it is a motor neuron disease. Jerks are exaggerated. A motor neuron disease. এখন আপার মোটর নিউরন আর লোয়ার মোটর নিউরনের মধ্যে পার্থক্য থাকে, সেগুলো আমি অনেকবারই বলেছি, বুঝিয়েছি। It has already diagnosed from the medical college the motor neuron disease. So once again I have confirmed that disease is motor neuron disease. The jerks are exaggerated. The voice are disturbed. The name of the patient is Ansar Ali. See how he is uttering the words. Number one.
Ansar Ali Sheikh.
Ansar Ali Sheikh. বাড়ি কোথায়?
মাওলা।
জেলার নাম কি?
হুগলি জেলা।
হুগলি জেলা। So this is a motor neuron disease. Our causticum is a very, very important medicine for motor neuron disease. The patient cannot eat properly, cannot talk properly. There is disturbance of the urinary flow and aversion to sweets. Sympathetic mind. So other symptoms are corresponding to causticum, and causticum also a great medicine for central nervous system or motor nervous system, a remedy for motor paralysis. আগে যখন প্র্যাকটিস অফ মেডিসিন এত ডেভেলপ ছিল না, তখনও এই মোটর নিউরন ডিজিজকে এইভাবেই বলা হতো, ডিস্টার্ব ফাংশনাল অ্যাক্টিভিটি অফ ব্রেন অ্যান্ড স্পাইনাল কর্ড। বহু আগে হ্যানিম্যান যখন পরীক্ষা করেছিলেন এইসব ওষুধ, তখন প্র্যাকটিস অফ মেডিসিনে এইসব ক্যাটেগরিক্যালি নাম ছিল না। So it was written at that time in this way, disturb functional activity of brain and spinal cord, even resulting in paralysis. যুগের সাথে সময়ের সাথে প্র্যাকটিস অফ মেডিসিন ডেভেলপ হয়েছে এবং নাম পাল্টে গেছে। Now it has been accepted as motor neuron disease. So motor neuron disease is a term for a group of progressive neurological disorder that affect motor neurons. The cells that controlled in the voluntary muscles. The motor cells are controlled the voluntary muscles of the body. In motor neuron disease, nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord stop working properly and die. Causing muscles to weaken and waste away. It is also known as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, AML. A part of the motor neuron disease is known as AML or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. So it is a neurodegenerative disease where the motor neurons in the brain and spinal cord gradually lose their function, leading to muscle weakness and eventually paralysis. The exact cause of the motor neuron disease is not fully understood. However, it may be considered that some genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors may contribute to the development of motor neuron disease. So maybe genetic, maybe environmental, or maybe lifestyle. The motor neurons are of two types. We have learned that upper motor neuron and lower motor neuron. The average age of onset of this disease is within 45 to 65 years. So, motor neuron disease. The main symptoms are weakness, uncoordinated movements of the body, stiffness and spasticity of the muscles, weakness of the muscles which may be mild or severe, and paralysis may develop in the form of hemiplegia, that means paralysis of one side of the body, or paraplegia, that means paralysis of both sides of the body, or monoplegia, that is paralysis of both the four limbs, two limbs, either upper or lower, and quadriplegia, paralysis of the both upper and lower limbs. So this is called motor neuron disease. So upper motor neuron disease or lower motor neuron disease. Now, causticum is a very, very important medicine, and let's prescribe for this patient our causticum in 50 millisievert scale of potency. With the direction thrice in a day, morning, noon and evening. And let's see the result, my friends.